Today, I'm making Filipino Lumpiang, Shanghai using my Lola's grandmother's recipe. It's her birthday today. In our family, we call this kind of dish tong bahay, something always ready to cook whenever someone drops by. I'm in awe of how my Lola used to make so many of these lumpia with such ease. I only managed to prepare 1 kilogram, but it took us 4 hours to roll everything. It truly felt like a labor of love. And a small tribute to her today. Happiest birthday to you, Momolin. Love you always.
Lumpiang Shanghai. Con sauce. Shanghai. Dip it in chili sauce. Perfect. Thanks, Mama Yun, for this recipe. The best Shanghai. Happy birthday! Konnichiwa! いらっしゃいませ。